Moda Manila. I'm happy that you are with us tonight for the celebration of our 11th year anniversary. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagdating for celebrating this milestone with us. Thank you po. This has never been easy for Casa de Moda Manila na paabot po yung 11th year anniversary. But we all did it because of your support, your love, and dedication to Casa de Moda Manila. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. And we promise to be more effective and efficient in terms of in our craft and also in production events like producing events like this, fashion shows, and we're hoping for more seasons of Filipino Fashion Designers Gala, the Primavera Fashion Show, and the Philippine International Fashion Festival, which are all produced by Casa de Moda Manila. Muli po maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.